Can you answer this question? What do women want? That was Freud's big question. Remember? We even have a movie with Mel Gibson and Helen Hunt called What Women Want. That's always seemed to be the big deal, especially for men who are easily confused and frustrated by the way we women communicate. Hello, I'm Dr. Debbie. I've asked many women that same question over the years. Each and every one has had a hard time coming up with a bottom line answer. They typically say something like, I want more help around the house. Now, that may be true, but it's a surface answer. A woman who says that really means she wants to feel connected to her husband. I've also heard many a woman say, I want him to be there for me, which any man finds puzzling, especially when he comes home every night and is usually around the house all weekend. From his point of view, he is there for her. Now, every woman alive knows exactly what she means. So, why doesn't her husband get it? Well, because a statement like that needs to be translated from female expressive language to male receptive language. She's saying she wants to feel connected to her husband. That message doesn't come through because she doesn't define what she means. Her mom, her sister, and her girlfriends know, so he should know. But he doesn't. He heard something different, something more concrete, and it didn't make sense. He's confused about what she wants, believing she wants the impossible, or more likely that she doesn't know what she wants, or she's just plain crazy. The bottom line answer to what do women want? It's always about connection. That's why I say that women are simple. On the other hand, men are far more complex than anyone realizes, including men themselves. In my experience, the bigger question has always been, what do men want? Now, when I ask women what men want, they'll nearly always say sex. In fact, the top three answers from women have always been sex, food, and football, or some other sport. Sex, food, and football? That's all men want? That's all they care about? If you ask a man, he'll tell you he wants peace, and he usually does. Of course, he also wants sex and food and football. However, none of those things fulfill his deepest need. His wife is the only one who can do that, because a man's deepest need is for her attention. What does that look like? What kind of attention am I talking about? It's simple, and if you've been following me for a while, you know this already. But knowing it and doing it are not the same thing. You actually need to start doing this every day. You want him to listen when you talk, but when he talks, you usually keep doing whatever you're doing. You multitask. Yes, we women are good at that, but it sends him a negative message. I know you don't realize how that comes across to him. You're hearing his words, but you don't know what he is hearing is your behavior. When you keep fixing dinner or weeding the garden while he's talking, you're sending him a very strong nonverbal message. In effect, you're saying that he's just not that important to you. Your attention is divided, and he needs all of it. It's a strong emotional need that women don't recognize as such. It's an actual, factual, emotional need for men and boys. I met a couple at a conference recently, and we started to chat between sessions. It wasn't long before we asked one another about our respective businesses. They were successful entrepreneurs. I told them I help women understand the men they love. The woman smiled and asked me to explain something about her husband. He was right there, of course, but she asked me. She said he often comes into the kitchen when she's cooking dinner and says, "What you doing?" She thought that was crazy. It was obvious that she was cooking dinner, so she would always laugh at him. She wanted to know why he kept doing that. I explained that marital research has found that partners make continual bids for one another's attention. That is, they say and do things that communicate their need to connect. Through words, gestures, facial expressions, and behaviors, they're saying, I want to connect with you. Do you want to connect with me? In happy marriages, partners respond positively to those requests 86% of the time. When her husband asked her what she was doing, he was saying, I want to connect with you. She rejected his bid for her attention by laughing at him. In essence, her answer was no. The result was a missed opportunity. She was ready to dismiss my answer, but her husband spoke up and said I was right. He just wanted to connect with her. He wanted her attention. She was still a bit puzzled, but was beginning to consider that she might have misinterpreted his question, taking it only at face value, instead of grasping its deeper meaning. Yes, men want connection too, but it comes in the form of your attention. So, what does your husband do to ask for your attention? Here's a secret for you ladies. He's always wants your attention. It's one of his strongest emotional needs, and most men are starving for it. So try something different. Whenever the man you love speaks, whether he's talking to you or someone else in your presence, remember that he's asking for your attention. He needs your attention. So stop what you're doing. Look at him. Listen to what he has to say. When he pauses, wait to see if he says something more. Don't talk over him. Don't do the girl back and forth stuff like we always do. It's normal for us, but it doesn't translate well to men. He'll come away believing you don't care about him if you do that. So give it a try the next chance you get. I bet he'll notice, and he'll get a slight little smile on his face. Even if no one else notices, you will, because you'll be watching for it. Let me know how it goes. Remember, I'm here to help.